Hey everybody, today we'll be building a simple circuit with the help of a jumper wire, a 9-volt battery, a battery connector, a breadboard, two resistances, one of 220 ohm and the other one of 1000 ohm, and an LED. So before I start, I'd like to say thank you to Young Genius for this amazing kit. The link is in the description. So let's get started. My breadboard is ready. So the first step that I follow is I connect the battery connector to the breadboard. As you can see that I connect it right over here towards the extreme end of the breadboard so that I can utilize the remaining space as well. And I have connected my battery connector successfully to the breadboard. And now I'll be connecting my resistance. Please take care that when you do such kind of experiments, do not connect the LED directly to the 9-volt battery because that might damage your LED. So that's why I'll be connecting a resistance over here, one arm along the red wire or the positive wire of the battery connector, and as you can see I've connected my resistance successfully. Yes, it's done. And now we'll be connecting our LED. So the positive terminal of the LED will be going along one arm of the resistor. As you can see, I've connected the LED, the positive terminal of the LED along one arm of the resistor. And yes, the LED connection is successful. Now to complete the circuit, I'll be connecting a jumper wire over here, as you can see, and one end of the jumper wire goes along the negative terminal of the LED. Yes, the jumper wire has been connected successfully. Now I connect the 9-volt battery to complete the circuit, and you will be surprised to see that the LED is glowing now. Okay. Now I'll be removing this resistance and I'll be adding a resistance of 1000 ohms. And let's see the difference. When I add the resistance of 1000 ohm, what is that new thing which you get to see in this circuit? We'll record the changes and we'll compare the changes. So again the LED is glowing, but there is some difference in the brightness. There's some difference in the brightness when I connect the 220 ohm resistor and the 1000 ohm resistor. So thank you for watching the video. Happy learning. Take care and stay safe.